Are you looking for ways to make money with cryptocurrency in Nigeria? With the increasing popularity of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the recent lifting of the ban on cryptocurrency by the Central Bank of Nigeria, it's now easier than ever to get involved in the market and potentially make a profit. One way to make money with cryptocurrency is through arbitrage opportunities. This involves buying a digital currency on one exchange at a lower price and then selling it on another exchange for a higher price. There are multiple platforms that can facilitate this, such as eversend, which allows users to buy, sell, and hold multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Users can also use the platform to pay bills and make online purchases. Moonpay is another platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store multiple cryptocurrencies and even purchase gift cards using crypto. Another option is to use a platform like Remitano wallet, which allows users to buy, sell, and store multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The platform also offers a peer-to-peer trading feature, allowing users to trade directly with other users. Paybis is another option. It allows users to buy, sell, and store multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Binance coin. They also offer a credit debit card feature, which enables users to buy crypto instantly. Lastly, Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. They also offer margin trading, which allows users to trade with leverage and a variety of other trading tools. It's important to note that, as with any financial investment, it is important to conduct your own research and understand the risks associated with trading cryptocurrency before using any of these platforms. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you too can potentially make a fortune with cryptocurrency in Nigeria. So be sure to check out these platforms and start trading today.